Hi everyone, presenting you the airline reservation system. The airline reservation system is designed such a way that it would many features from the real world airline system will match this airline reservation system. Let me begin by running this page, which was the starting point of the airline reservation system. And upon clicking run button, we'll be having two options where any user, any person can be either a admin or a passenger. Let me log in as a passenger first. Mm. If an existing passenger is there in the airline reservation system, then the passenger can enter the enter his or her credentials to enter into the passenger dashboard. Or if at all a new user is about to log in into the airline reservation system, he can log in by clicking upon the sign up button. Mm, this was the this was one of the credentials of the passenger, and upon clicking sign in, the passenger dashboard will open based on the passenger listed here. But um, to make it easy for you, I'll be signing as a new user first. Let me sign in. Let me give my name. Any name you can give. Or please take care that the passport number should be at least 7 digits and with the prefix IN, which which was written in capital letters only. Let me give any random passport number which has 7 digits. I think this was 7 digits. Okay. And nationality will be Indian, was Indian. Address will be Siddipet, Telangana. And phone number was any random number. Username, user2, password, any random password. And upon clicking save button, the user, there was an error. Please enter valid passport number 1234. Okay, now it has matched with the template. Upon clicking the save button, the passenger was successfully signed up into the airline reservation system. Upon clicking OK, the passenger dashboard will open with the passenger name, user 2, and the passenger the passenger dashboard has many features. He can view his own details, or he can see the flight routes that are from different that are across different cities, and he can book the ticket. He can see his own reservation details. He can see the payment history, and he can cancel the ticket if he wish to, and he can see the cancelled ticket history here. And upon clicking the back to login page, it will be redirected into the login page. Let me open one by one. Passenger details. Here the passenger has given an opportunity to edit his own details. If at all a passenger want to edit his own details, he can click by edit. He can edit edit by clicking the edit details button. Except the username, every field has given edit option because username will be same. So let me change some of the fields, and maybe this was. And upon clicking save button, the new details will be updated with the passenger name, user 2, and upon clicking save button, details were updated into the database. And next, flight routes, the user can view by clicking the flight suite button. Here, user can select the source and destination with the class of economy, business, or premium. Let me select one. I want to go from Hyderabad to Bangalore with the class premium. Then upon clicking show button, the flights that are from Hyderabad to Bangalore with the class premium will be displayed here. If at all the user, as this is the page where the user can see only flight information. If at all the user wants to book ticket here, upon clicking the flight, upon entering the flight code and clicking the book ticket button, the user can book the ticket. But let me take you somewhere. Here is the book ticket button where a similar interface is given, but um, the flight information, flight routes button was given to only see the flight routes. Here, if the passenger want to book the ticket, here here is an opportunity of booking the ticket. I want to go from Mumbai to Hyderabad with the class economy defaultly, and upon clicking save show, then the flight from Mumbai to Hyderabad with the class economy will be displayed here. Then, if the user wants to book the ticket, then he can book by entering the flight code, and upon clicking book ticket button, the ticket was successfully booked, and there is a payment method where the user needs to give the payment or pay the payment. The user needs to enter the same amount as it was displayed here. Then upon clicking book button, the ticket was booked successfully with the username user2, and here is the information of the reservation details of passenger with the username user2. Then he can see his reservation details by clicking upon here also. And if at all, let me book another ticket so that it will be more clear. Hyderabad to Chennai show and FL048. Upon clicking book button, an interface will be open to pay the payment, and the tickets were displayed here. If at all the user wants to see the payment history, then he can view by clicking here. He has paid two tickets with the flight code 0 FL048 and FL307. And if any user wants to cancel the ticket by whatever the reason, then he can click by cancel the ticket. He can cancel the ticket by clicking cancel ticket button, and upon clicking user to, then flight code, maybe I want to cancel 0307, and upon clicking proceed, the the flight with the flight code 037 with the username user2 will be cancelled successfully. There was no ticket with the 037 in the reservation details, and it will be added into the cancellation history as it was cancelled by the user 2. Then he can view his cancellation history by clicking upon this cancellation history button also. And upon clicking back to login page, he'll be redirected into login page. Let me log in as an admin, where admin has many opportunities of managing the user and managing the flights also. Let me show another. If at all the admin was forgot his password, then he can clicking upon this reset button. He can reset his own password. Let me add reset button. Okay, sorry. Here the reset button will clear off the fields that were entered here. And upon clicking sign in button, somewhere it was gone mistake. Okay, the password was wrong maybe. Then this was the admin dashboard with the name admin. Admin can be with any name, but for our sake, I have given the admin with the name admin itself. Then admin has these features where he can add new flight, he can view the registered passengers, and he can see the flight information. If at all the admin wants to delete any passenger, he can delete by clicking the delete passenger button. And if there was no flight, for example, let us consider a flight was cancelled or it was not running between any two routes, then admin has that opportunity that he can delete the flight also. Then upon clicking admin details, then the admin details will be displayed here. Then we'll go. Let me see what has happened. Okay, let me log in again. Min, min 1 2 3. Upon clicking new add new flight, then the flight details will be. Let me give another flight for 56 and flight name will be mm, from Delhi to, as it was Hyderabad Airways, then Hyderabad, then class was premium, then cost of services would be 6500. Randomly I was given. Upon clicking add flight, when the flight was added successfully, then if at all the admin wants to see the flights that were present in his own airline reservation system, he can see by clicking the see flights button, where the flight details between any two routes will be displayed here, and we can see that Hyderabad Airways was added here, premium, the 6500 price, and this was add new flight. And upon clicking register passengers button, we can see the passengers that were registered early, who was registered early, and upon clicking flight information, he can see the flights that were present in his own airline reservation system. And if the admin wants to delete any passenger upon entering the passenger username, he can delete. Let me delete one. Nava. The passenger was successfully deleted as there were no name with the username Nava. And upon clicking delete flight, upon entering the flight code, he can delete the flight ML889. I deleted successfully. Then here are the admin details button. Then this was the airline reservation system. And I would like to thank our team members who were helped in building such a great project. Srinivas Darpalli, Anil Katrot, and Harish Kumar Balasani, and myself, I am Karthik Jodu.